Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to explore about the posting habits that is going to get you growth in your social media platforms. So we're talking about Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and YouTube. What are the things that you can capitalize on so that you can have massive growth? Because even if you're doing this for entertainment, I think everybody is looking forward to having more and more people interacting with them. Yeah, we have a storm here and start to be scary. Yeah, so what are the posting habits that you can capitalize on so that you can have more growth, massive growth in your social media platform? So like I said, we're talking about Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and YouTube. What are the things that you can do? So let's start with TikTok. And one of the things that I have noticed in my TikTok account is the consistency, how often you post. And I would suggest that you post at least one post every day and one story every day, and then you can do one long video per week. That way you're able to engage with your viewers or your audiences and they know that you are available. So that will really help. And one of the things which I've not really explored, and I don't know why, is the lives. And from some other content creators I have checked is that if you do lives once a week, at least once a week, then you're able to grow your viewers or your audience base based on that. And then for Instagram and Facebook, I will combine because you can actually link your two accounts, your Facebook page or Facebook profile and Instagram. So when you do your posts in Facebook, they can simultaneously get posted in your Instagram. That is, if you allow that they co-post on each other. So one of the things that you can use is like one story every day, which you can post on Facebook and Instagram, and then you can do one post, that's like using the words, and then you can do the Instagram Reels or Facebook Reels. So nowadays you can actually co-post between Instagram and Facebook. So you can do one and post on the other. And then for the YouTube, ensure that you're posting at least one shot every day, one post weekly. That's on the words. Nowadays we have that in the community. And then 1 to 2 long videos per week. So capitalize on that. Make sure you're posting at least one long video per week. And the secret that I wanted to share with you guys is about interacting with other people, engaging with people through the comments. When people comment on your posts, on your reels, on your stories, etc., do you go back to interact with them? Do you say thank you? Do you get the feedback from there and use it to improve the content that you're producing? So I think this is the #1 secret that most people are not capitalizing on. Don't leave your comments unanswered. Answer all your comments, of course, when if that is possible. Of course, sometimes it may not be possible because you have too many comments that you are not able to answer. So interact with people. Give a human face to your social media platforms by interacting with your audiences. So I think basically if you use that secret, then you're going to grow. So thank you.